This one trick can turn any dull, flat room into a warm, cozy, magazine-worthy space in under 10 minutes, and it costs you less than $10. Before we start, a quick safety note. Always unplug any lamp or fixture before working with bulbs or wiring, and never touch light sockets with wet hands. Watch the full video, because the placement trick in the middle is the part most people get wrong, and the tips near the end will save you money for years. If you want more simple, low-cost home upgrades like this one, hit subscribe right now so you don't miss the next one. Let's get into it. Here's everything you need for this hack, and all of it is available at any dollar store, hardware store, or online for a couple of dollars each. First, one warm white LED bulb, color temperature around 2700 Kelvin. This costs about $3. Second, a small strip of battery-powered LED tape lights, roughly $4 for a 2-meter roll. Third, one inexpensive lampshade, or a scrap of thin white fabric if you already own a lamp, about $2. Fourth, a roll of removable adhesive strips or clips, so you can mount the LED tape without damaging your walls, around $1. That brings your total to right, around $10, sometimes even less if you already have a lamp base sitting at home. If you want to go even cheaper, you can skip the lampshade and use a plain white t-shirt or pillowcase stretched loosely over a lamp for the same diffusing effect. Just make sure it never touches the bulb directly. You do not need any tools. You do not need an electrician. And you do not need to touch your wiring. Everything here plugs into a normal outlet or runs on batteries, which means renters and homeowners can both do this without any risk to their walls or their lease. If you already own a lamp, your total cost drops even further, sometimes to as little as $5, since the bulb and the diffuser are the only pieces you actually need to buy. And if you want to try this in more than one room, buy the LED tape in bulk. A longer roll usually costs only $1 or $2 more than the short one, and you can simply cut it to size with regular scissors at the marked cutting points. Now, let's break this down into simple, numbered steps, so you can follow along in your own room right now. Step 1. Start by removing any bright white or cool white bulbs from your main ceiling light or your lamp. Cool white light, anything above 4000 Kelvin, makes a room feel like a hospital hallway or an office, not a home. Step 2. Replace that bulb with your warm white 2700 Kelvin LED. This single swap already softens the entire room before you do anything else. Step 3. Take your lampshade or your fabric scrap and loosely fit it over any exposed bulb. This diffuses the light, so you get a soft glow instead of one harsh point of brightness stabbing across the room. Step 4, and this is the part almost everyone skips, and it's the real secret behind this entire hack. Turn off your main overhead light completely. Overhead lighting flattens a room and kills mood, no matter how nice the bulb is, because it hits every surface evenly and erases all shadow. Step 5. Take your LED tape lights and place them low, not high. Run them along the back of a bookshelf, underneath a console table, behind your TV stand, or along the base of your bed frame. Light coming from a low, hidden source creates depth and shadow, which is exactly what makes a room feel cozy instead of clinical. Step 6. Angle your lamp so the light bounces off a wall or a ceiling corner instead of shining straight out into the room. Bounced light spreads softer and wider, and it avoids harsh shadows on faces, furniture, or artwork. Step 7. Create at least 2 separate light sources at 2 different heights in the same room. One low, from your LED strip, and one mid-level, from your lamp. Never rely on a single light source for the whole room. That is the single biggest mistake most people make. Step 8. Dim everything down as low as it can comfortably go, while you can still see clearly and move around safely. If your LED tape comes with a remote, set it to the warmest color option, usually labeled amber or warm white, and lower the brightness to around 40%. Step 9. For bedrooms specifically, try running a short strip of the LED tape behind your headboard. This creates a soft, glowing outline around the bed instead of a single glaring lamp on a nightstand, and it instantly makes the whole room feel like a boutique hotel. Step 10. For living rooms, try placing your lamp in a corner rather than the center of the room, and let the LED strip line the back of your TV or entertainment unit. This pulls the eye toward soft, glowing edges instead of one bright hot spot in the middle of the space. Step 11. If you have a mirror or a piece of artwork you want to highlight, run a small piece of the LED strip along the top edge of the frame. This adds a subtle accent glow that makes the whole wall feel intentional and styled, instead of flat and empty. Step 12. For kitchens, run a short piece of the LED tape underneath your upper cabinets, facing down toward the counter. This keeps the harsh overhead light off during casual evening use, while still giving you enough warm light to see what you're doing. Step 13. For bathrooms, wrap a small strip of the LED tape around the back of your mirror, instead of relying only on the vanity bulbs above it. This softens the light on your face and takes away that flat, overly clinical feeling most bathrooms have. Step 14. For a home office, keep one warm lamp on your desk at a low angle and turn off the main ceiling light once the sun goes down. Your eyes will thank you, and you'll find it far easier to relax once the workday is actually over. Step 15. Once every light in the room is in place, step back, close your eyes for 5 seconds, then open them. That's your moment of transformation, and trust me, you will notice it immediately. Now, let's talk about the results, because this is where it gets exciting. Picture the room before. Harsh white light pouring straight down from the ceiling, every corner fully exposed, flat walls, zero atmosphere. It looks more like a waiting room than a living room. Now picture it after. Warm golden light glowing low near the floor, soft shadows tucked into the corners, the lamp casting a gentle pool of light on one side of the room, and the overhead light completely switched off. Same furniture, same walls, same exact room, but it feels like a completely different space. People who try this hack often say the room suddenly feels more expensive, more relaxing, and more put together, even though nothing was replaced except a bulb and a cheap strip light. This works beautifully in bedrooms, giving you a calmer, more restful feel right before sleep. It works in living rooms, creating a cozy, inviting atmosphere for evenings and movie nights. It even works in home offices, and this might surprise you, but warm, low lighting in the evening actually helps your brain wind down instead of staying wired and alert after work hours. Try taking a photo of your room before you start, then taking the exact same photo after you finish, and compare them side by side. The difference will genuinely shock you. Guests who walk into the room afterward almost never guess that the entire transformation cost less than a fast food meal. Some viewers have told me they assumed a whole new lamp or a professional redesign was involved, when really it was just a bulb swap, a cheap strip light, and a completely different approach to where the light actually comes from. The best part is that none of this is permanent. If you move apartments or simply want to change things up later, you can peel off the adhesive strips, unscrew the bulb, and take the entire setup with you to your next place. So why does this actually work? It comes down to 3 simple factors: color temperature, direction, and height. Color temperature is measured in Kelvin, and lower numbers, like 2700, mean warmer, more orange-toned light, similar to candlelight or a sunset. Higher numbers, like 5000 or 6000, mean cooler, bluer light, similar to daylight or bright hospital lighting. Our brains are wired by tens of thousands of years of evolution to associate warm orange light with safety, rest, and evening, because that's exactly what firelight and sunset light looked like for most of human history. Cool blue light signals daytime and alertness, which is great for a kitchen or a workspace, but terrible for trying to relax in the evening. Direction matters just as much as color. A single light source shining straight down from the ceiling creates flat, even light with almost no shadow. And rooms with no shadow at all tend to feel sterile and uninteresting. When you introduce light from multiple lower angles, you create natural shadow and depth, the same way candlelight or a fireplace has done for centuries. That depth is exactly what your brain reads as cozy, warm, and inviting, even if you can't consciously explain why. Height plays a role too. Light sources placed low, near the floor or furniture level, feel intimate and grounded. Light sources placed high and centered feel institutional, almost like standing under an office ceiling grid. That's the entire secret. It's not about buying expensive fixtures or hiring an electrician. It's simply about controlling where the light comes from, how low it sits, and what color it is. Lighting designers have a general rule of thumb for this. Brighter and cooler light works during active daytime hours, while dimmer and warmer light works better once evening arrives, and your body actually starts craving that shift as the day goes on, whether you notice it consciously or not. That's also why staring at a bright, cool-toned screen right before bed can make it harder to fall asleep. The color and brightness are telling your brain it's still daytime, even when it isn't. This $10 hack essentially works with your biology instead of against it, using nothing more than a cheap bulb and a strip of LED tape. Let's go over a few important safety points before you try this yourself. Always check the wattage rating printed on your lamp or fixture before installing any new bulb, and never exceed the maximum wattage listed on the label. If you're using LED tape lights, make sure the adhesive backing is rated for your specific wall surface, and avoid running the strips directly against curtains or bedding where heat could build up, even though LEDs generally run much cooler than older incandescent bulbs. Never leave battery-powered LED strips running completely unattended overnight for the first few nights, just to make sure everything is functioning correctly and nothing feels warm to the touch. If you ever notice a bulb flickering, a strip getting warm, or any unusual smell coming from a fixture, unplug it immediately and stop using it right away. For rented apartments, stick to removable adhesive strips and battery-powered options so you avoid any damage to walls or ceilings, which means you get your full deposit back when you move out. One more tip: buy bulbs and strips labeled as dimmable if you plan to use them with a dimmer switch, because non-dimmable bulbs can flicker or burn out early when forced onto a dimmer circuit. Also, keep a spare warm white bulb on hand, they're inexpensive, and swapping one in the moment your current bulb burns out keeps the mood consistent, instead of suddenly jumping back to harsh white light. Finally, always keep cords and strips away from high-traffic walking areas so nobody trips, and tuck any extra cable length neatly behind furniture. If you have young children or pets in the home, choose battery-powered strips over ones with long plugged-in cords, and keep any loose bulbs or packaging safely out of reach. And if you're ever unsure whether a fixture, socket, or piece of wiring in your home is safe to work with, stop and call a licensed electrician rather than guessing. This hack only ever involves plug-in bulbs and battery-powered strips, nothing that requires opening a wall or touching household wiring. Now here's a bit of background on why lighting has such a massive impact on how we feel inside a space. Humans spent almost all of history living entirely by natural light, sunrise, daylight, sunset, and then firelight or candlelight until it was time to sleep. Our circadian rhythm and our emotional response to different colors of light developed around that exact daily pattern over thousands of generations. Modern homes broke that natural pattern by installing one single bright, cool, centered light in the ceiling of almost every room, which is efficient and cheap for construction, but it's genuinely terrible for mood and comfort. Interior designers have used this exact warm, layered, low-light principle in hotels, restaurants, and high-end homes for decades, and that's precisely why five-star hotel rooms and cozy restaurants almost never rely on a single bright overhead light. You are simply borrowing a design trick that professionals have used for years and doing it for the price of a cup of coffee. Even big, expensive home renovation shows lean heavily on this exact principle. Layered lighting, warm color tones, and hidden light sources, long before they ever start talking about furniture or paint colors, because the lighting sets the entire tone of the room before anything else is even placed inside it. Once you notice this pattern, you'll start seeing it everywhere, in cafes, in boutique stores, in restaurants. Almost none of them light the room with one single bright bulb from the ceiling. And now you know exactly why. So let's quickly recap what we covered today. You learned how a $10 warm bulb, a cheap LED strip, and smart placement can completely transform the mood of any room in your home. You learned the exact steps: swap your bulb, turn off the overhead light, add low, warm light sources, and create at least 2 points of light at 2 different heights. You learned why it works. Color temperature, direction, and height all combine to shape how your brain reads a space, whether it feels cozy or cold. And you learned how to do all of it safely, without touching your wiring or risking your rental deposit. If this video helped you, smash that like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow and reach more people looking for simple upgrades like this one. Drop a comment and tell me which room you're trying this hack in first. I read every single one. And if you want more simple, low-cost home upgrades just like this one, hit subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss the next video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.